If you want to connect your Wi-Fi on your MacBook, I want you to go on top of your screen here by the menu bar and go to the control center where you see my pointer is right now. You just click on it once on your trackpad or your mouse. Then once you do that, you're going to see the Wi-Fi option, which is over here. You just click on it once or on this little arrow here. Then once you do that, you're going to see the Wi-Fi settings and then just click on them here. And when you get to Wi-Fi settings, your Wi-Fi is going to be automatically off. You want to turn it on by turning on the switch here where you see my pointer. Just click on it once and then it's going to automatically start searching for the networks. Once it searches for the network, you just scroll down until you find your Wi-Fi network. In this case, this is mine, written X and T. Then you just hover on it and then you're going to click where you see connect. Then you click on it once. Then you enter the password for your Wi-Fi. Then once you enter the password, you can either choose to show the password, or once you know it, you just enter it. You want to click on OK. As soon as you do that, it's going to show you that it is now connected. You can start browsing and using your Wi-Fi. Thank you so much. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments down below.